Hey guys, welcome to codewithcisco.com. So probably you were on some kind of social media and you typed in this URL and you ended up on my YouTube channel. So you're where you need to be right now. So essentially this is just a YouTube channel. We'll develop and grow the community in the future. But for now, it's tutorials about coding, right? And other things that I will add in the future. So if you check on the videos down below, you'll see a lot of JavaScript videos and Vue.js frameworks. And I'm going to add more stuff like, for example, Python. And JavaScript and Python are the two most popular coding languages in the world. So if you work on these things, you will be able to get help by you'll be able to be helped by different people, not just myself. So you'll be able to look at tutorials on YouTube, go on GitHub, go on Stack Overflow, and ask these questions when you get stuck if I can't get to you. I will try to get to you guys as soon as I can, but I am fairly busy working on other projects and other things. But rest assured, I will try to get you guys out the door with some experience under your belt. So predominantly, I want to teach you guys everything about IT and development. I kind of separate both of those things because for me, IT is more like of the infrastructure and development is more of like the app side. And the cool thing about this channel is it includes both and kind of also DevOps, and that is melding those two disciplines together to create cool things like applications and deploying them. So yeah, that's pretty much for the channel right now. You're in the right place. If you want to learn how to develop applications, develop with JavaScript, and also automate your infrastructure environment, you're in the right place, my friend. Hit the like buttons on those videos and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when I drop new content. Thank you guys for checking out my channel, and I hope that we start learning together.